Introducing a new item for aluminum drilling, the Super MultiDrill NHGS type. The NHGS type provides stable high feed cutting through the use of an original J-flute shape and wide L thinning. And the wide double margin delivers stable drilling of precast holes. The NGHS type delivers 7 times more efficiency than a straight cutting edge drill under the same cutting force. And the Aurora coat reduces adhesion at the cutting edge during high-speed machining. Additionally, the NHGS type achieves stable drilling at feed rates of 1.0 millimeters per revolution. The NHGS type drills precast holes reliably without centering error. The NHGS type can be used at these feed rates: 4 times of straight cutting edge drills, 3 times of low helix angle drills, 2 times of high helix angle drills. Try the Super MultiDrill NHGS type drill for aluminum machining.